Treadmill. I am running on the treadmill. Dumbbells. I am lifting dumbbells. Squats. I am doing squats. Push-ups. I am doing push-ups. Pull-ups. I am doing pull-ups. Bench press. I am using the bench press. Plank. I am holding a plank position. Leg press. I am using the leg press machine. Tricep dips. I am doing tricep dips. Burpees. I am doing burpees. Warm-up. I am doing a warm-up before my workout. Lunges. I am doing lunges. Deadlift. I am practicing my deadlift technique. Kettlebell. I am swinging a kettlebell. Resistance bands. I am using resistance bands for my workout. Rowing machine. I am exercising on the rowing machine. Jump rope. I am jumping rope. High knees. I am doing high knees. Mountain climbers. I am doing mountain climbers. Box jumps. I am doing box jumps. Foam roller. I am using a foam roller to massage my muscles. Upconscious. I am doing upconscious. Side planks. I am doing side planks. Bicep curls. I am doing bicep curls. Stretching. I am stretching my muscles. Sit-ups. I am doing sit-ups. Elliptical. I am working out on the elliptical. Cycling. I am cycling on the stationary bike. Medicine ball. I am exercising with a medicine ball. Battle ropes. I am training with battle ropes. Sled push. I am doing a sled push. TRX training. I am doing TRX training. Chin-ups. I am doing chin-ups. Chest press. I am using the chest press machine. Calf raises. I am doing calf raises. Lat pull down. I am doing a lat pull down. Cardio. I am doing cardio exercises. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.